But are we there yet?
No, and would you mind just not saying that?
Not saying what?
You know.
Okay, I won't say it, but can we sing it? Are we there yet?
We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
A little more to go.
Are we there yet?
Getting closer now.
Are we there yet?
No!
The windscreen is really dusty.
I'll clean it.
Oof, those wipers make a really annoying noise.
I think I can make an even more annoying noise.
Ooh, go on then.
Are we there yet?
We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
A little more to go.
Are we there yet?
Getting closer now.
Are we there yet?
No!
Oh, well done, Maddie. That was really annoying. What's happening now, Mr. S? Why have we stopped?
I need to let these sheep cross the road, Triggs. Lots and lots of sheep.
I wonder what they're saying.
Are we there yet? Bah.
I think this shortcut is really bad.
That tractor in that field over there is going faster than us.
We could walk faster than this.
We're going so slow.
A little more to go. Finally, the road is clear.
This is better.
Much faster.
And I know where we are now.
Yay!
Sing the song again, Maddie, but faster this time. And loud.
Yeah! Are we there yet?
We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
A little more to go.
Are we there yet?
Getting closer now.
Are we there yet?
No! Okay, that's been fun, but can you shush? I need to concentrate on this last bit.
Oh, shush, Maddie, shush.
Are we there yet?
We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
A little more to go.
Are we there yet?
Getting closer now.
Are we there yet?
Aw, they've fallen asleep.